First, I did see my mother's waters break, and see the riverbank and plans of men in fields, then the streets. Our time flows she so slow, then yields to ocean kiss, faint midwife's chant. In-breathe, out-breathe, rest. From peaks to ocean shores, in nature wild or calm, to me she calls to come and lightly tread thereon. Each turn, each step is made in awe. Not gone the glee for nature hers, which lips release a psalm for her soul wild, who more does draw from heart. By tiny mini beast or mountain crag is she revealed. That hill of green, 'twas slag from mine-scarred peak, but she did sing and healing start. In-breathe, out-breathe, rest. These healing arts, like gentle waves on warming sand with gentle strokes, can turn and cliffs destroy, for she's wild. She'll shake the earth like toy and grip a child, for she both heals and breaks this land. In-breathe, out-breathe, rest. But broken here means healing there, for balance hums from hands of hers. But we as ants do itch and bite, so she must scratch. A wicked witch seems she to some who bite so hard that balance comes. No slave or guinea pig to plans of ants is she, whose guardians still watch and walk this land. Yet we, who've forgotten, did once walk hand in hand with these and talk of mother's ways, so free. In-breathe, out-breathe, rest. On lonely moor, by ocean shore, do these still sing and tend to her. In garden, tiny yard, these guardians e'en present are, not hard to hear if heart and mind are still. And offering bring, in-breathe, out-breathe, rest. This stillness, hers, like dawn's first gentle light, the kiss a mother gives to newborn child. 'Tis here, in spirals, guardian's soft chant. So near are we, not still in mind. This sight, not hid, we miss. So much is missed. When life runs rings round mind all day, the snowdrops lance through frozen earth did play and crack unyielding ground. Old elders, they do say, if still are you, then hear this crack. You may in-breathe, out-breathe, rest. Oft I have sat with thoughtless mind and let eyes free roam from distant hill to nearby rose. Her choirs of crow and sparrow sang, till praying flyers did end these songs. So silence fell on yard and home. This silence fell, no breeze, yet leaves did unheard stir as they passed by unseen. On June by sea of silent waves, where children's games of glee not heard, they passed through wiry grass as if 'twas fur. In-breathe, rest. These guardians, unceasing, tend this mother wild. In forest deep their songs are sung in breeze or storm, when mighty oak seems flex with ease, or balmy summer's morn, though wild, here mother's mild. As foxes hunt or prey, or spider sucks on fly, I see my mother there, for these, like she, in balance live. A lesson here for me, who takes too much and little gives. Unbalanced life. Once I did peer in Mountain Lake, so clear, and cried at face that stared at me, that she perceived 'twas wiry, cold, unsmiling eyes which grieved for naught. Too long had I not justified, but lied. In breathe, out breathe, rest. But now, the mystery unfolds. For I am her child, and wild, ne'er tamed, for ants can never be. For her will all our time, once dead, then see. Once dust, these lies, time wasted, was, for she is wild. These raging storms and peaceful calm of oceans deep, these autumn days of harvest, reds and gold, these mountain peaks, their valleys deep, so old, these moors so bleak, and vales so rich in her do sleep. While sleep does she in winter's grip, to us seems mean this cold of hers, but fields, tired trees can rest. But we still beaver on, for child knows best, but learn do not, till dust become, when dead all's see. So friend, next time when wind does rage or calms a byre, when crashing storm at sea meets river ire, when sat at peace round autumn fire, let's pause and vow that we will cease to live as liar. In breathe, out breathe.